Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can chat, message, or chat on Google Meeting. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have opened my Google Meeting, and as you can see, I have created a virtual meeting, and I'm going to show you how we can chat with God in Google Meeting. If you want to check the chat or message, you can simply go to this menu, guys. Chat with everyone menu, and here you will be able to get messages from other participants in your Google Meeting. And for example, I'm just going to send a message like this, and you'll be able to get the reply here if there is someone who replied to your chat. So if you want to update the chat, you just need to go to this menu, chat with everyone, and you will be able to see how it works on Google Meeting. Okay, and that's all the way to chat in Google Meeting. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.